In this video, I'd like to introduce you to a very simple concept known as comments. So in this example, we can see that on line 1, we are creating a variable called x that is holding the number 1. On line 2, we set the variable y to hold the number 2. On line 3, we display the result of the sum of x plus y, which is why we see the 3 down below in the terminal. Now we can add comments to our code, which do not actually get run by Ruby. However, they add clarifying commentary to the humans that read our code. So for example, at the end of line 1, I'm going to add a comment. To do so, we put the hash, that is the symbol on top of the number 3. Anything to the right of this hash sign is not actually counted as code. So we could just write regular English words if we so choose. So we can say here, we set the variable called x to be 1. So here we're actually using a comment to clarify to the reader what is going on line 1. Now perhaps line 1 is obvious to you and this comment is not necessary, but that's not the point. The point is that you can add comments if you so choose. So on line 2, I'm going to add another comment. We set the variable called y to be 2. On line 3, we'll add another comment that says we display the sum of x plus y. So here when we run our code, the code runs just the same. The comments do not affect the processing and execution of our code, but it could be useful for human readers of our code if we want to convey our intentions to them. Now you don't have to exclusively put comments at the end of a line. You can make a comment at the beginning of a line. So on line 4, we'll just add a comment that says, this is the end of our code. We're introducing comments now because we're going to be using them extensively in our upcoming videos.